Hi guys, welcome back to a Josh Day video, and today we are going to be reviewing this. And you may be thinking, what is in this particular shirt? Obviously I have already removed the so thinking I'm thinking what is in this. But if you're a fan of football and you do support Manchester City, and you'll instantly know what is inside this box. As you can see, you do have the holographic, and it is a nice thing, and also a bit, I think the sash down the front of the box does also give it away, and also the side there where it says Manchester City authentic jersey. So today we'll be reviewing, and obviously I have bought the authentic jersey from Manchester City. I do want to confess I did buy this about a few months ago. It did cost, it was meant to be, it's probably about 138 I think normal price, but at the moment it's 50% off, so I got it for 62 plus some printing, and you'll find out the player and the tournament I have on here. So just opening the box, it's quite a nice little thing. As you take the outer sleeve off, you do get this thing here with it's I'm not sure whether pick up, but there is like there is like a Manchester City crest, and obviously a Puma there, and like which is a really cool touch. And then when you open it, you are greeted with Manchester City tissue paper. I have already removed the tags and stuff because I've had it on before I've reviewed it, so I should really have done an out of box review, but you know, is what it is. I was just too excited because I waited too long for it. So here we go, a nice out of box review. So we just remove this tissue paper to reveal the jersey, which looks like that inside the box, which is actually very cool to see. Obviously you've got there where it's spun. It's actually like so sick. Like honestly, with the price I paid, I am more than made up with this. So we're just going to remove the cardboard. Oh, trying not to reveal the kit now. Fold that back up. But yeah, this is actually, I put that back now actually. Don't know. Guys, I don't know what I should do with the box, because like it's too nice to get rid of, you know what I mean? But I think you can kind of work it out. But there is the kit in itself. Obviously you've got the Puma authenticity there, the nice shiny thing. Honestly, this is actually a low-key suture, and I just wanted to say that if you are going away, I do recommend you getting the authentic version, because it is made of a lighter material. I don't think I have another kit. Oh, I do. Like, I know I've got two travel kits, but you know, but if you look if you see the material, like if you look, the material for this is very like thin, but with this it's like very like thick, you know what I mean? So but this is such a nice kit. It's medium Venezuela, sure. And the player on the back, obviously you can kind of work out the tournament is Carabao Cup, is the Carabao Cup, which is cool. And on the back it is the legend himself, Ryan Chucky. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool. It's actually pretty sick. I think this is, I don't like the kit itself, but I think this is my favourite shirt in my collection, because not because of the actual kit design, I think it's because it's just, I'm just contradicting myself. It's a nice kit, it's grown up. I think it's because it's just nice, like, you know, it just feels nicer on your skin and stuff, so that's why. But yeah, very good. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you later.